Hey, in the shop with me today, I got Becky Hanrahan from LMC Truck. Becky, great to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Now, you're not just from LMC Truck, you are LMC Truck. You're the pres, the CEO, the chief cook, bottle washer.
Janitor.
Pretty much everything, right?
Babysitter, everything,
yes.
yes.
You guys have been keeping trucks on the road for a long time. And I mean, that's a fun part of the hobby. Trucks are fun and people are really into their trucks.
It's fun to me for that reason because every truck, almost every customer that walks into the city counter that I talk to has a story. And they want to tell you their story. It's either their dad or their uncle, or they had it in high school and they took their first date to prom. There's always a story with them.
There is, and and there is for cars too, but I think it's even more serious with truck people. They're really into it, and the whole thing, and even the restoration and stuff is almost part of the fun.
It is, because a lot of them include their kids. We get a lot of stories. I get letters almost every day from customers, and they want to tell me the story about their truck and how their daughter helped or their grandson helped, and so it's just fun.
You have a scrapbook,
I have a scrapbook. I do.
Well, so what do you say we talk truck parts?
Okay, let's talk
perfect.
truck parts.
Looks like we got a couple grills. This is something new for LMC. Well, you've done grills before, but these are special.
These are special. We actually manufactured these. It took us about 2 years to get these exactly like we wanted them, but they're made off new tooling.
Oh, so this is not made off the original tooling. This
No.
is made off of updated, perfected tooling?
Yes.
Because there are some flaws in the original ones.
Maybe not originally, but there are flaws in them now. Yeah.
20, 30 years later,
there's
they
flaws.
still got to develop some flaws. Well, the other thing I can tell right off the bat, these are GM licensed too, hence the bow tie.
Yes, they are, and we sell the bow tie separately.
So
So it actually, that you can't get with the reproductions. You don't get the bow tie. There's no place for the bow tie.
there's no place for that.
You have to glue it on.
So yeah, you get out your glue gun and
glue it on.
Just not the same.
Not the
is it?
same,
No.
no.
Yeah. Well, that's great, and that is not that's no small feat either. Licensing with GM is.
Hard work.
Yes, it is. But the results speak for themselves. So these are the grills as well as the headlight bezels. Couple different styles. This is what year?
81, 82.
81, 82. And this is
The later 85 to 87.
85, 87. But if I'm correct, these really...
You can put whatever you want on
you
your
really
truck.
can. It all fits.
It all fits.
This is just what the style was in 81, 82. This is the style in 85, 87.
We call these our bling package. If you want to bling out your truck, this is what you want to do.
So if you had a base package and you want to Silverado it,
Silverado
that's what you do, huh?
Yes.
Wow. So you worked on these for like 2 years to get them the way you wanted? Mm-hmm. That's dedication.
We're devoted to this market. We truly believe that if we are going to manufacture a part, we need to bring something that was better than original. A lot of times we go back and forth. We have a garage that's got about 75 to 100 trucks in it in various forms of being torn apart. So when it comes in, we fit it and make sure it's right.
Is that your R&D lab? Mm-hmm. So really, I mean, you really have all those things,
Yes.
the vehicles
All the trucks,
themselves.
every truck that we sell a part for, we have.
Wow. You sell a lot of parts.
We
That's
sell a lot of parts.
That's a lot of trucks.
It's a lot of trucks.
Must be a pretty big building.
It is.
Well, this is great. And the other thing about these was certainly the polymers 30 years ago weren't what they are now. And then 30 years' time causes them to dry, become brittle. Mm-hmm. I don't know if I've seen an 81, 82 truck that didn't have a broken grill and or at least some teeth missing.
Something wrong with it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So this can bring it all back.
Make it look pretty again.
Even blingy.
Even blingy.
Even blingy. Wow. Totally awesome. And this is just, again, one of a myriad of stuff you guys do for all sorts of truck makes.
Yes.
Keep them on the road. Have fun with them.
Keep them on the road. That's the big thing. Keep them on the road.
And that would be LMC Truck,
That's
right?
right.
Well, hey, if you want to learn anything more about these really cool new GM licensed grills from LMC Truck, log on to lmctruck.com. Yeah, I kind of like that. That's pretty nice.